Once upon a time, in a faraway sky, there was a small star named Luma. She twinkled softly, but the big stars around her were much brighter. Luma felt small and unseen. "I wish I could shine as bright as the big stars," she said sadly. One night, a spaceship got lost in the dark sky. The astronauts inside were scared. "We need a light to help us find our way home," they said. The big stars were too far away, but Luma was close. She took a deep breath and tried her best. She twinkled as bright as she could. Her little light shone in the darkness and showed the spaceship the way. The astronauts cheered. "Thank you, Luma. You helped us." Luma felt happy. She learned that even small stars are important. From that day on, she twinkled with pride, knowing she didn't have to be big to make a big difference. And so, Luma shone happily ever after.